Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm gonna do something very cool. We have two cameras that we're gonna compare. This is gonna be a short video, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So on this side we have the RAZER KIOY 1080p 30 frames per second, the budget offer of the RAZER. Really cool, nice webcam which I bought a couple of months ago, and this is my studio, so we're gonna compare it to Insta360 GO3. This camera has been released nearly a year ago. I bought it a couple of months ago. Really nice camera. We have 2.7K 30 frames per second, and also we have a night preset 1. There are different options for the presets, but I'm gonna tell you that in a second. And the Canon 200D, one of my favorite DSLR cameras. I bought this camera nearly 6 years ago, and I love it because obviously Canon, very good video quality. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? RAZER KIOY 30 frames per second 1080p or Insta360 GO3 2.7K 60 frames per second. A little bit about this preset. I think there's like a 12 presets that you can choose, and this one is the night one. I don't know if doesn't make any difference, but this is my studio. We have two lights, one light behind the camera actually, and we have another light on the left side. Actually, let me show you that I'm filming with these two cameras. So let me show you the RAZER KIOY, which is here. We have the Canon 200D, and we have the Insta360 GO3, as you can see, recording right now. So this is the two cameras that I'm recording. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Insta360 GO3, again, this has been released nearly a year ago. There's a new model which is the same camera but shoots in 4K. That's the Insta360 GO3S. And let's go back to our RAZER KIOY webcam. I decided to make this video to compare, to see if there's any difference with the 2.7K with the Insta and the 1080p. Probably will be some difference in the video quality, but you are the one to judge, and let me know, what do you think? Super interesting video, short video. Let me know if there's any difference with the footage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.